Hi, this is Krista Stefani. Thank you for joining us for the training module related to reporting of service units and revenue. This information is being collected to assist Nebraska's Department of Health and Human Services with conducting a rate study as it relates to providing information related to the costs of providing services under the Aged and Disabled waiver and PASS operations. On this tab, the Units and Revenue tab, we are interested in collecting information related to the billed units and billed revenue for each of the applicable services that your agency provides. As you can see, all of the potential services that are being included in this cost survey are included in the waiver, service, and past revenues section. The information is organized by service, by an additional procedure code description if applicable, and identifies the unit of service. We are asking you to complete these two columns that indicate your billed units and billed revenue as it relates to providing these waiver and pass services. We ask you to complete this schedule using billed units and billed revenue rather than paid units and paid revenue, because whether or not the service was paid, you actually had a direct support professional providing that service. So we would like to account for everything that your agency billed for. In addition to collecting revenues related to the waiver services, we do have some information that we would like to collect related to non-waiver services and non-pass revenues. If you operate an assisted living facility, we are interested in collecting information related to non-Medicaid services. So for all other payers, the total payments that you have received. And for assisted living services, the room and board revenues that you received associated with Medicaid residents. As for all other revenue, you may combine in all revenues. You don't have to separate out by service unless you would like to. The total revenues that you received for providing those services. So again, if in question number 2 on the questions tab, you stated that you provide non-A&D waiver and pass operations, it is expected that you would have some sort of revenue included in this section. Again, you do not need to identify by service. You can report in total the other revenues. Underneath the non-waiver service, if you would like to provide the information, you can provide the unit of service and the number of billed units, and then the total revenues, if you so desire. And then at the bottom of this survey, we will have calculated the total revenue, which should materially agree to your profit and loss statement or other document you used to prepare this cost survey. We thank you for your time and that you're taking out of your busy schedules to complete this cost survey, and also for reviewing this training module.